This is the cooling time calculator for Newton's law of cooling, which calculates how objects cool down over time and the time needed to reach specific temperatures. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have initial temperature T0, where you enter the starting temperature of your object. Next is ambient temperature TAmb, the surrounding environment temperature. Then there's the cooling constant K, which you enter per time unit based on your object's properties. The time T field is where you specify when you want to know the temperature. Finally, there's an optional target temperature field to find how long cooling takes. For our example, I'll enter 10 for initial temperature, 10 for ambient temperature, 10 for the cooling constant, 10 for time, and 10 for target temperature. After clicking Calculate Cooling, we get our results. The temperature at time 10 equals 10 degrees, which makes sense since our initial and ambient temperatures are identical. For time to reach target, it shows infinite asymptotic approach, because the object is already at equilibrium with its surroundings, so it cannot cool further. This calculator helps engineers predict thermal behavior in cooling systems and processes. Find the link in the description below.